Mash Up! Hello. It's still Halloween month, so we're doing scary stuff. Now, the two scariest guys I can think of are these two. So, alright, see, guess where we're going with this. Now then, we need some hair there. Are you close to guessing who this one is yet? I don't know if it's been given away yet. What do you think? We need to do this main body for the Halloween mashup, a monster mashup you might call it. Yeah, you've probably got it by now. If you know, you know. It's a Mr. Burns from The Simpsons. That's it. He's a pretty scary character. I'm going to do his whole outfit because it's going to be slightly different. So I'm just going to put him roughly where his... Oops. Roughly where stuff is. He always does that with his hands, doesn't he? Excellent. Like that. Just roughly on there. Down to the feet. Okay, that's rough. He's got a big old head, hasn't he? Right, so with my pen now, I'm going to go straight to pen. It's obviously a bit different to normal. Straight to pen this time. I have neglected to bring one with me, so I have to go and get one. All over there. Oh, it's a thick one. We can work with that. Okay. Here we go. So I'm going to put Mr. Burns with Venom. Yeah. Here we go. We're going to cross it with Venom. So we'll start with around the eyes. I'm going to have to go up. Look, this is a bad pen. It doesn't work. Let's try again. This pen. Here we go. Much better. Much better. What do we think? I thought this was going to be a really fun idea, but we'll see how it goes. I might have to put the detail of his eyes in here. Now, those of you who know The Simpsons and who know Venom, which I'm hoping is most of you, if not all of you, there are a lot of similarities between these guys. Oh, I need to do some Venom-style teeth, don't we? I think with Venom, he's quite sort of, he's just all over one colour, isn't he? Have a little whoop. So it looks like we're going to be doing, I'm going to have to be a bit creative with the colouring in, I think. To see what we get out of this. Okay, on his front, he's going to have this. Okay, leave that coming down there. It comes up with a little tail bit there, doesn't it? There we go. It's coming together. Old Mr. Vern's Venom. I'm not sure this has ever been done before, is it? I didn't search YouTube beforehand to see if this had been done before, but I'll be very surprised if anyone's done a Mr. Burns Venom mashup. Came to me as inspiration. Okay. Got some good basics there. I'm pleased with that. Okay, we're going to need some dark shades. Okay. Oh, maybe need a grey. I was just forgetting the situation for one moment. Yeah. I might do is put some grey around the edge like this, and on the top, and the top of the eyes maybe, just like this. I'm going to try and highlight some areas where we're not going to have black. So even though this looks like it's shading because it's a dark grey, it should actually become the lighter bit, if this works. Okay. And we're going to need a yellow and a pink as well. That yellow or that yellow. Probably that one. There we go. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's okay. I'm going to need a few more of these grey bits in there. Please pop in the comments if you can think of anything that links Mr. Burns and Venom. Again, I'd like to find as many links as possible. Apart from the fact that they're just both very scary individuals. Pretty good. I'm enjoying this one. Okay, now it's time for some super speedy colouring. Okay, ready? Yeah, that's not bad, is it? I think I just went over a line there I probably shouldn't have done, so one cheeky trick you could try, if you mess up like I did, is to give me just a second. Right, is you can get a white Posca pen, that's a paint in a pen. It might be called an acrylic marker, paint pen, that sort of stuff. And it'll draw in white for you. So you can draw that bit, those sort of things, back in where you've made an error. And there you go. I'll just colour this in. It's obviously got mixed with the black a little bit there, so it's kind of a little bit grey, but you get the idea with that. I'm pretty pleased with that one. Mr. Burns Venom character here. Yeah, good. That's a successful Halloween mashup. And I hope you like it, and I hope to see you back here on CaptainFishbeard.com once again next time. Please do subscribe, click on the little red box over there, or the pink circle on the... Anyway, you get the idea. See you next time.